Introducing the iPhone 17 Ultra, a masterpiece of innovation that pushes boundaries and redefines what's possible. Crafted with precision, engineered for performance, and built to inspire, this is the ultimate iPhone experience. Experience the brilliance of a 6.9-inch Super Retina display. Every detail is vivid, every color true to life. With an ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels effortless, gaming is more immersive, and everything you do is smoother than ever. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite content or capturing memories, this display makes every moment shine. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Ultra lies the Apple A19 Pro Chip, built for speed and designed for efficiency. From high-intensity gaming to pro-level video editing, every task feels seamless and every interaction is instant. With AI-driven optimization, your iPhone stays one step ahead, adapting to your needs and maximizing performance. With 12GB of RAM, the iPhone 17 Ultra is built for powerful multitasking. Instantly switch between apps, edit high-resolution videos, and push performance to the absolute limit, all without a single slowdown. And with up to 1TB of storage, you have endless space for your photos, videos, and everything that matters most. Every moment deserves to be captured in stunning clarity. The 48MP rear camera system ensures your shots are ultra-detailed, even in low light. With advanced AI processing, every image is perfectly balanced. An enhanced portrait mode gives you that professional-level bokeh you've always wanted. The 24MP front camera with Face ID is seamlessly integrated into the dynamic island, offering a fluid and immersive experience. Improved HDR and AI adjustments ensure your selfies are crisp, natural, and full of life. And for content creators, cinematic video mode delivers buttery smooth, professional quality footage. Powering your day is a high-capacity 4700 mAh battery, delivering all-day battery life. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working on the go, the iPhone 17 Ultra keeps up with you. Fast charging and MagSafe support ensure you're always ready to go when it matters most. Introducing iOS 19, smarter, faster, and more personal than ever before. With enhanced widgets, deeper AI integration, and new customization options, your iPhone adapts to you. And with next-level privacy and security, your data stays protected because your peace of mind matters. The future of smartphones is here. The iPhone 17 Ultra, powerful, intelligent, and designed for those who demand the best. Launching September 2025, starting at $1,250,